I know I said I was tired when I arrived, but it's just such gorgeous weather.
Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm from Germany. And together with my camping car Delphine, I'm touring Europe, doing house sits, and explore beautiful places in historic cities and nature. Come along.
Well, hello everyone. I'm closing this door earlier than I expected. I packed Delphine and will be heading to the coast because the past week I really wasn't doing well. I had major inflammation again going on in my body, probably in the lungs. I realized that when my lymph nodes are swollen and hurting, and it was really painful, and I was completely weak. Fortunately, my family, especially my husband, were helping me packing Delphine because she was completely empty this time since she was on an inspection. But now everything is packed so that I can go on tour and hopefully feel well again in a week. Just wanted to show you how I pack everything. Here is the solar panel, and then I have my food right here, and back there is my clothing, and my little gas stove is here. Here there are pots, and as you already know, here's water. My fridge back there, emergency toilet is in the blue, and then to wash hands, all the little knickknacks I may need. Up here I usually have clothing that, if it's raining and I spend the night in the car, I don't need to get out to have something to wear. There's also toilet paper everywhere because in France the public toilets don't have toilet paper usually. And down here are my shoes, and here is stuff that I may need during driving. Some sweets so that I won't get tired. Yeah. So that's about it. That's all I need, and I'm excited. I hope you're coming along. I will head to the Belgium coast of the North Sea today and spend a night at a camping place, because in Belgium it's not allowed to spend a night close to the coast in the car. But then tomorrow I will head to France, where it's allowed everywhere again. After about a 6 hours drive with a little break, I've arrived. I'm really exhausted. I still have the lymph nodes issue, so I'm feeling really worn out now, but I'm happy that I'm close to the sea, and I will definitely take a walk, even though at the reception they told me about 30 minutes walk to the beach, but since I was sitting in the car all the time, I think that should be doable. veterinarian here. Quite neat. Feeling a little overwhelmed. I had no idea that there was so much going on here.
I cannot help but be amazed at how much my life has changed within the last 24 hours. Yesterday I was lying in bed all week and feeling a little desperate. And now I'm here, in this beautiful place, surrounded by happy people, breathing the fresh air. It's amazing how one little decision can change your situation. For me, it certainly was the right one. I feel so much more alive again and have the feeling that I can heal.
I know I said I was tired when I arrived, but it's just such gorgeous weather. About 21 degrees warm. The wind is caressing the skin. The sun is kissing. It's just so beautiful. It's already almost 9 o'clock and I don't want to leave because I know tomorrow it's going to be grey and rainy and colder. So I really am soaking it all in and I don't feel tired anymore at all. Home sweet home. Okay, everyone, I'm very happy but also completely exhausted. I'm so happy that I decided to come here, and I enjoy the hustle bustle. I mean, I'm used to this type of architecture at the coast from my childhood, when I spent almost every summer at the Belgium coast because it was so close to Aachen where I used to live. And I just enjoy it so much when everyone is happy and playful, and you always find your calm spot somewhere at that enormous coast. So yeah, I know it's not to everybody's taste, but I kind of like it. And yeah, unfortunately tomorrow it's not going to be super great weather. I think in the morning it's still supposed to be nice, so I may stay here until lunchtime and then head to France, because the camping spot here, the camping site, it's not super expensive, but it is quite expensive. So I probably go to Caen, even though the weather is just not nice tomorrow and quite possibly even the day after. But I can park right next to the beach, so I can just stay in the car and open the window and get the healthy sea breeze. which is still good then for my health, and just do some video editing since I was filming so much today. Yeah, I'm very happy that you came along with me, and I hope you enjoyed it a little bit, and hope you're well wherever you are. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Good night and goodbye.